Yeah, hello customers. So this is a natural stones for a flower pot design, Yeah, so the other time the customer asked me, Steven, where can I get these stones? And I shared the location with her, so he went for these stones. Yeah, so just look at how the stones is looking so beautiful. Just look at how this stone looking so beautiful. So as for this stone, they have so many colors of this stone. So it depends on the stones you want. So you use this stone to design your flower pot set, as you can see. So as for this stone, they have the black one, the white one, and this one, and they even have the one that they are smaller than this one also. And they have other one. So the other time I asked the guy that is selling these stones, how much is costing, and he showed me some bucket that bucket one is 40 Ghana cedis. Yeah, but since like we are not buying it the same day, I didn't ask him for a reduction. So I just share his number with the customer, and the customer went for the stones. Yeah, so as for this one, I don't really know how many bucket that she went for. But it's looking so beautiful. Just look at the house inside. It's looking so beautiful. Just look at the stone. So I think this customer she went for the same color. The same color for these stones. You know. Just look at the stone beauty. Yeah, so this is the front view of the house. So we are laying natural stone cladding for the pillars. Yeah, so just look at the beauty of the stones, as you can see. So you could see that she's trying to use the same color of stones, for the flower plot for the both inside, and the outside. You know. Yeah. So just look at something. You see, say yeah, she have used a cocoa sack, to cover the sun before the stones. Because of one the reason behind be say so that if like rain fall, these stones will not sink into the sand whereby like to be dirty on the stones. So once you put this cocoa sack ground before the stones, whenever rain fall second, the stone will not sink in. So that be why like this be that be why you have to put some sack over there. So even if like custom put a rubber here now, when rain fall on the rubber will not allow to sink in. So this be the one of the best way I think. So when the rain fall, it will sink go inside, but the stones will not sink to the sand. Yeah. So I think you also have to do it that way so that it will also help you to. But one thing about this stone is say these stones the color be forever. The color will never fade away. Even 100 years, the color will still be the same color. So if this stone is dirty, you just take one day and wash the stones all and place it back again. Yeah. So if you spend 1/6 of these stones, 100 years, you still see your stones there, as you can see. So it's looking so nice, so beautiful, as you can see. So